first reaction has come from Andhra Pradesh's Chief Minister on the Adani bribe gate controversy. Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has charged with a big attack at the former government, which was led by Jagan Mohan Reddy. Chief Minister Naidu is pledging action on the Adani bribe gate controversy. He has said, and I quote it here, this has destroyed Andhra Pradesh's reputation. So he's totally making it about the state pride, about Andhra Pradesh's pride, and saying we'll take strict action on this.
ఇప్పుడు ఏ విషయమైతే ఈరోజు వచ్చిన విషయం ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రతిష్ట బ్రాండ్ కూడా దెబ్బతినే విధంగా ప్రవర్తించారు. ఇది చాలా బాధేస్తుంది. ఇంటేనే చాలా బాధాకరంగా మనం ఏ విధంగా చెప్పుకోగలుగుతాం అనే పరిస్థితి వస్తుంది. ఇంకా వాస్తవాలను రావాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. ప్రభుత్వం కూడా ఆలోచిస్తున్నాం. వాస్తవాలన్నీ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఎప్పటికప్పుడు అవన్నీ కూడా అధ్యయనం చేసుకుని ఏం చేయాలో చేస్తూనే మళ్ళా మీకు ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తాం. ఏ ప్రభుత్వమైనా ప్రజలకు జవాబుదారీతనంగా ఉండాలి. ఎవరు తప్పు చేసినా వాళ్ళ మీద యాక్షన్ తీసుకునే పరిస్థితి ఉంటేనే ఇంకొకరు ఇలాంటి తప్పులు చేయకుండా భయపడే పరిస్థితి వస్తుంది. ఏదేమైనా ఈరోజు నా దగ్గర ఏదైతే నియమాలు కానీ అక్కడ వేసినటువంటి ఛార్జ్ షీట్ రిపోర్ట్ కానీ అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. అది పబ్లిక్ డొమైన్లో ఉంది. దాని తర్వాత ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో అన్ని కూడా అధ్యయనం చేస్తాం. అధ్యయనం చేసి ఏం చేయాలనో మళ్ళీ మీ అందరి దగ్గరికి ఏం చేయాలో చేస్తూనే మీకు ఎప్పటికప్పుడు సమాచారం ఇస్తామని చెప్పి తెలియజేసుకుంటూ ఈరోజు రెగ్యులర్ బిజినెస్ పోదామని చెప్పి విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Apurva Jayachandran is joining me right now on this. Apurva, I believe he's spoken up in the assembly. Tell us more about what he has said, because I see that more than a political confrontation, he's making it about the state asmita, state pride of Andhra Pradesh.
Well, Pooja, in fact, in the assembly today, interesting session went on where several of these leaders, be it from the Telugu Desam Party or the Janasena or the BJP, all of them had voiced out their concerns regarding, YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, and how not only has there been several cases there, but also now that this issue has become something of an international stature as well, where Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, the former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister and the current YSRCP Chief, his name has been dragged into, especially with this Adani bribe case that we are looking at. And now Mr. Naidu there, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, has also responded on the same, wherein not only is he saying that, these kind of incidents, these kind of allegations that have come up, this has completely destroyed brand Andhra Pradesh, one that the state government has been tirelessly working to build and regroup after the damages, whatever has been made during the last 5 years under the YSRCP regime, is what Mr. Naidu has also reiterated. He also goes on and states that this kind of charge sheet in which Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy has been named, all of this is in the public domain. Everybody can access this charge sheet, and that there will be proper action taken. He, in fact, Mr. Naidu also goes on and states that if anybody has done any kind of wrongdoing, the government is responsible to the public and the government will take action. He also goes on and reiterates, saying that anybody who has done these kind of misdeeds and wrongdoings, action will be taken on them, so that another person cannot go ahead and commit these kind of similar mistakes, is what Mr. Naidu is also warning, and also goes on and states that very soon action will be taken. But
so clearly Andhra Pradesh realizing, at least Chandrababu Naidu, that it shouldn't look against him, his party, and because it's YSRCP's tenure that has been mentioned as dateline, that he's immediately charging at him, but also not directly, saying this is about Andhra Pradesh's pride and reputation that's taken ahead, and we'll do whatever it takes to ensure that gets back on.